Look at this old cutie. Look at you. You look just like him, but no relation. A short little fatty. He's a weather. He was a drop off. She's obviously Miss Sparkle Farts. There's Brownie, Spicy, and Pinky. That could be referring to female genitalia, or not. And we have a monster psyop storm coming. 2 feet of snow, possibly, in an area that gets 2 inches a year. So we're getting that in one fell swoop. So they either don't want us seeing something, don't want us doing something, and to keep us inside for a week. Which is fine by me. I got all my generators ready to go, and fuel and food and all that bullshit, but man, crazy times.